Koobee kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun!
Fun, fun, fun. Hi there. Welcome back to the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Adventure channel. Today we are learning about raspberries. Oh, my favorite food. All of these raspberries are right here in my front yard. Can you believe it? We get free local organic raspberries all the summertime. Fun, fun, fun! Raspberry picking is like a treasure hunt. Yeah, fun, fun, fun. I love raspberries. Hi, hi, hi! Look, it's Iris, the garden robot. How's it going today, Iris? The raspberries certainly are bountiful. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for all your help watering the garden, Iris. You are a great friend. Well, let's go pick some more raspberries. Yum, yum, yum. Picking raspberries is great for the whole family because when they are ready, they fall off so easy. Even a toddler can pick them when they're ready. When they're ready, they get nice and red and dark red. That's when you know when they're ready. Raspberries, like other plants, they start green, and when they are ready for eating, they turn a delicious red. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. Hi, 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 everybody. Welcome back to the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Adventure channel with me, Koobee. Today, we are learning about raspberries, one of the most delicious foods in existence. All these raspberries came from my own garden. Wow. We got so many from just this one day of picking. The summertime is a bountiful time for fruit and raspberries. Yum, yum, yum. Raspberries are what's called a perennial plant, meaning they come back every year. I love perennial plants because you get to enjoy them every year. And raspberries especially get bigger every year. I planted this raspberry patch some years ago. I think I planted 3 or 4 different raspberry canes or plants. And then over the years, they got bigger and bigger and bigger. And they spread more canes. And I love it because raspberries are so tasty. So maybe you should plant some raspberries in your yard or on your balcony in a big pot, and then you can get raspberries right from your garden. Yum, yum, yum. Picking raspberries is like a treasure hunt where you're hunting in the leaves, looking for the ripe red berries. I see one here. And another one down here. And look, it's a treasure chest. I wonder what's inside.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Fun for you, fun for me.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Let's open it up and see.
Let's open it up and see. It's yogurt! Yum, yum, yum! This is gonna go great with our raspberries! Let's eat! Look at this amazing, abundant raspberry harvest that we got from the garden. And this organic yogurt from the treasure chest. Let's put them together in a healthy and delicious meal. One scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops of yogurt, and the raspberries. Whoa! Since they were free from our garden, we can go a little wild and have lots of raspberries in our yogurt. Yum, yum, yum. I like to mix it around so the yogurt coats the raspberries. So tasty. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna have some more. Wow, that is so good. Yum, yum, yum. Yogurt is a great food. It's high in protein and it has healthy probiotics to give your gut flora a lot of superpowers. Fun, fun, fun. Yogurt and a fruit is also all that you need to make your own popsicles at home. Just mix them together in a blender and put them into a mold in the freezer, and you got homemade popsicles. We're gonna show you that in another episode coming soon. Fun, fun, fun. Well, that's all for this video. Let's take a minute and give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
I am so thankful for this amazing planet that we live on, where we can grow plants like raspberries and eat them and feel the yummy deliciousness in our bodies. And I'm grateful for Iris, the garden robot, who helps water the garden and keep it well maintained. What a good friend. And I'm grateful for my mom, who taught me about gardening and raised me like a little budding plant into the Koobee that I am today. Thanks, Mom. And I'm grateful for you for joining me on this amazing adventure of fun learning. Thank you so much. If you've had a good time, please subscribe to the Koobee Kids Fun Learning channel, because we have lots more great videos coming your way. Fun, fun, fun.
Koobee Kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun.